Hey everyone, welcome to Birds of a Feather. Today we've got a recipe for homemade ketchup that's so easy you may never buy store-bought again. So you can do this in a coffee grinder or a mortar and pestle. Smell that. Boy, it smells like licorice, eh? We're heating the pan on medium and the oil goes in. Once that comes up to temperature, we're going to put in the onion. That gets cooked for about 5 minutes until the onion is translucent, then we're going to add the garlic. Once our timer gets down to 30 seconds, we're going to add the garlic and then stir it around for another 30 seconds for a total of 5 minutes. Okay, let's pop in the liquid. That's the vinegar, the balsamic, and the apple cider vinegar together for 3 minutes. So this gets reduced for about 2 minutes or until it thickens.
Spices first. Wow, strong smell. Then the tomatoes. Throw them away from you so you don't get splashed if you can.
Once the tomatoes and spices are in, we're going to leave it on medium until it comes to a simmer. Then we're going to turn it down and leave it at a simmer for 10 minutes. Tomatoes tend to splatter even when it's on a low burner, so we've added this splash guard so that we don't get tomato sauce all over our beautiful backsplash. After 10 minutes, we're going to lift the splatter cover and then we're going to let it cool. If you want to speed up the cooling process, fill a sink of water, put in some frozen water bottles, and then put your container in the sink to let it cool off. Process the ketchup until it's as smooth as you like it.